How to create Etsy shop account. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to create Etsy shop. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to install the app. Head over to your respective app store, type in Etsy on the search bar and install it. So now once the application is installed, click the open button and you will be directed to the page where you'll have to create an account. So now you could go with Google, Facebook, or as a guest as well, or else you could just use your email address as well. Now click on sign in or create, and if you don't have an account, you'll then be asked to type in your first name and last name and create a password as well. Once done, you click on the create account button, after which you will be able to see that you've directed to the home page, indicating that you've successfully created your Etsy account. Now here you could go ahead and explore all these items. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.